Today is February 1st, 2011, and we've had our first ice storm of the winter, and it's hardly over yet, but I just let Ruby out, and we walked back here, and this is my neighbor's drive, and it is solid ice. You have to walk in the center here where the snow's been wet and it's icy, but now it's not. But you can see my feet just barely can stand up unless you're in this crunchy. The road is a little bit better. I don't think I would want to drive on it though. It's solid ice. They came through and threw a little bit of salt and sand down on it. And so it's a little crunchy, but still you can see all the way across it. It's pretty slick. It's like that all the way out. It's starting to sprinkle a little bit of rain again, and anyway, it's like skating. Anyway, this is just a little nuisance storm. The biggest bulk of it is coming up later on today. But you can see last night how much ice we got. Looks like, oh, I don't know, quarter of an inch or so of ice. It's pretty to look at, but dangerous to walk on. The sidewalk is, I mean, you can't walk on it. Your feet just go out from under you. Anyway, I'll get some pictures, and I think Ruby's ready to go back in. You ready to go in, Rube? Come on. Let's go inside. Come on. You wanna go in? Come on, let's go in. Go on in. Yeah, it's slippery. Get on up the stairs. Go. Come on. I'm not carrying you. Come on, let's go. That's good. Let's see if I can get up the stairs. Alright. I was locked out earlier. I shut the door and I couldn't get it back in the house because there was so much ice. Alright. Good for now. I'm going to go back out, take some still pictures, and see what else we can see. Come on, camera, stop recording.